Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product for all knife enthusiasts and Benchmade fans out there. We're diving into what we believe to be the best Benchmade scales on the market, the 2PCS, 1 pair, aluminium alloy scales for the Benchmade Bugout 535. If you're looking to upgrade your knife's aesthetics and functionality, you'll want to stick around for this detailed review. The Benchmade Bugout is already a beloved choice among knife users due to its lightweight design and versatility. However, enhancing its look and feel with these aluminum alloy scales can take your knife to the next level. The TEAMWILL brand, known for its quality accessories, brings us these sleek and durable scales that not only look great but also provide a sturdy grip. With a weight limit of 2 pounds and a form factor designed specifically for handheld use. These scales are perfect for anyone who appreciates a solid and comfortable grip during their daily tasks or adventures. The aluminum material ensures durability while remaining lightweight, making it a great addition without adding unnecessary bulk. One of the standout features of these aluminum alloy scales is their brushed finish, which gives a modern, tactical look to your bugout knife. This upgrade doesn't just improve aesthetics, it enhances grip, ensuring that your knife stays firmly in hand. Whether you're using it in a casual setting or in more demanding situations. Installation is straightforward, meaning you won't have to be a knife modding expert to get these scales on your bugout. The package includes 2 scales, designed to fit seamlessly with the existing hardware of your knife, making the transition smooth and hassle-free. Additionally, these scales are available in various colors to suit your personal style. Whether you prefer a classic silver or something a bit bolder, there's an option for everyone. When it comes to performance, the aluminium alloy scales hold up exceptionally well against wear and tear. They resist scratches and dents better than many plastic alternatives, ensuring your knife retains its pristine look even after extensive use. The solid construction provides added stability, which is crucial for maintaining the functionality of your Benchmade Bugout during rigorous tasks. These scales are not just about looks, they're about enhancing the overall user experience. The improved grip and comfort level means you can use your knife for longer periods without discomfort, making it a practical choice for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, or anyone who enjoys the reliability of a quality knife. In conclusion, the 2PCS aluminium alloy scales for the Benchmade Bugout 535 from TEAMWILL are truly the best Benchmade scales you can find. They provide a perfect blend of style, functionality, and durability, making them an essential upgrade for your bugout. Whether you're looking to enhance the look of your knife or improve its performance, these scales deliver on all fronts. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you're interested in purchasing this product, make sure to check the link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more product reviews, and let us know in the comments what you think about these scales or if you have any experiences to share. Until next time, keep exploring and stay sharp.